Let us now practice Anulom Vilom or alternate nostril breathing. Sit in Sukhasana or any meditative posture with your spine erect, chin parallel to the ground. With your left hand in Chin Mudra, with your index finger touching the thumb, place your left arm on the left thigh, palms facing up. Fold the index and middle fingers of your right hand into Vishnu Mudra. Close your eyes. Now use your thumb to close the right nostril and breathe in from the left. Close the left nostril with your ring finger and breathe out from the right. This completes the half cycle of Anulom Vilom. Now breathe in from the right with your left nostril still closed. And then close the right nostril gently with the thumb. Breathe out from the left. This is one cycle of Anulom Vilom. You can practice 8 to 10 rounds to begin with and slowly increase the count. As you practice this, bring more awareness to your breathing with deep inhalation and complete exhalation. Breathing should be deep but relaxed and effortless. Anulom Vilom Pranayam, which is based on equal breathing, improves lung function, blood circulation, strengthens and tones the nervous system, and is extremely beneficial in relaxing and calming the mind. It removes blockages in arteries and relieves hypertension and is beneficial in asthma, headache, neurological problems, and gastric problems. Release your fingers and place your right arm on the right leg with your palm in Chin Mudra. Observe the changes in your body with your eyes still closed. Let us now practice Nadi Shodhan Pranayama, also known as alternate nostril breathing with breath retention. Sit in Sukhasana or any meditative posture with your spine erect, chin parallel to the ground, and your left palm in Chin Mudra. Close your eyes. Fold the index and the middle finger of your right hand such that the tips of the fingers touch the base of the thumb. This is known as Vishnu Mudra. Now, gently close the right nostril with the thumb to inhale through the left nostril slowly and steadily. Now, close the left nostril with your ring finger. and retain the breath at the top of your inhale for a brief pause. Now gently close the right nostril with the thumb to inhale through your left nostril, slowly and steadily. Now close the left nostril with your ring finger and retain the breath at the top of your inhale for a brief pause. Release your ring finger to exhale through the right nostril and pause briefly at the bottom of the exhale. Inhale through the right. Close both the nostrils to retain the breath, and then open the left nostril to release and breathe through the left side. Close both the nostrils to retain the breath, and then open the left nostril to release the breath through the left side. This is one complete cycle of Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. Repeat 5 to 10 cycles while bringing your awareness on your breathing cycle. In Sanskrit, Nadi means channel and Shodhan means purification. Hence, this pranayama aims at clearing and purifying the subtle channels in our body, thus balancing all three doshas. At the end of the practice, breathe normally for a couple of seconds, observing the changes in your body and enjoying the state of calmness. The following pranayama should be avoided by pregnant or menstruating women or people with extremely high BP and epilepsy. We'll now practice Bhramari Pranayama or the humming bee sound. Sit in any comfortable posture, spine straight and eyes closed. Now bring your thumb to your ears. Gently close it. Index finger above your eyebrows. Middle fingers on the eyelids and the rest of the fingers spread over the face. Inhale through the nose, and while you exhale, make a humming sound like a bee. Make sure your lips are gently parted and teeth relaxed. Repeat this for about 8 to 10 rounds. Gently release and stay here for a couple of seconds with your eyes closed. The following pranayama should be avoided by pregnant women and people with heart disease, high blood pressure, and hernia. Let us now practice Kapalbhati Pranayama. Begin seated in any meditative posture with your palms in Chin Mudra, spine straight and eyes closed. Now take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, exhale forcefully, pulling your stomach in, your navel towards the spine. As you relax your abdomen, your breath flows automatically, which is known as passive breathing. Continue 20 such breaths to complete one round of Kapalbhati. Continue for about 4 to 5 rounds, bringing all the awareness to breathing out. As a beginner, take a break after 20 exhalations. Breathe normally and observe your body. And then continue. With practice, you can extend the round to about 50 to 100 exhalations. In Sanskrit, Kapal means skull and Bhati means light. So this pranayama is also known as skull brightening pranayama. It increases the metabolic rate and aids in weight loss, improves blood circulation, stimulates the abdominal organs, aiding digestion, and gives a natural glow to your face. Release and stay with your eyes closed, observing the changes in your body.